Have you ever wondered why some days your mind feels razor sharp, while on others you can't even remember where you left your keys? It's not always stress, sleep, or workload. Often, it's something much simpler: what you feed your brain. While we think of food as fuel for the body, the mind is the real engine behind everything we do. Our decisions, focus, memory, and creativity. And just like any high-performance machine, it needs the right type of fuel to run smoothly. The human brain uses nearly 20% of the body's energy, more than any other organ. Every thought, every message, every idea, all powered by the food you eat. When you choose the right foods, you're not just eating, you're sharpening your focus, boosting your clarity, and improving your long-term brain health. But when you choose the wrong ones, sugary snacks, processed meals, heavy fats, your mind slows down, your energy crashes, and your productivity falls. In the UK, USA, and other fast-paced countries where people often skip breakfast, rely on quick snacks, or grab fast food on the go, mental burnout has become normal. But it doesn't have to be. Just a few smart food choices can completely shift how your brain performs throughout the day. Think of foods rich in omega-3s like salmon and walnuts, antioxidant powerhouses like blueberries, or hydration boosters like coconut water. These aren't just healthy foods, they're brain enhancers. They strengthen communication between brain cells, reduce inflammation, protect your memory, and elevate your mood. The connection is simple. When you eat smarter, you think smarter. So the real question is, are you feeding your brain the fuel it deserves? If your mind feels foggy, unfocused, or easily distracted, the secret to unlocking sharper thinking might be hiding in something incredibly simple: omega-3 fatty acids. These powerful nutrients are like premium oil for the brain's engine. They keep everything running smoother, faster, and clearer. Omega-3s are the building blocks of brain cells, helping them communicate quickly and efficiently. Without them, your brain literally struggles to send messages, which leads to poor focus, low energy, and slow decision-making. In the UK, USA, and most Western countries, the average person doesn't get enough omega-3s. Our diets are often filled with processed foods, fried snacks, and fast meals that contain inflammatory fats but almost no brain-boosting nutrients. This imbalance directly affects mood, concentration, and even long-term memory. But the good news? Fixing it is surprisingly easy and delicious. Let's start with the superstar, salmon. Rich in DHA, the most important omega-3 for the brain, salmon acts like a clarity booster. People who eat fatty fish regularly show stronger cognitive performance, better memory, and even reduced stress levels. If you're not a fish lover, no worries, the brain has backup options. Walnuts, shaped just like a tiny brain, are nature's hint that they're perfect for mental strength. A small handful a day can elevate mood and increase focus. Then there are chia seeds, tiny but mighty, delivering omega-3s along with fiber and protein. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, they fit effortlessly into a busy lifestyle. Flax seeds, mackerel, sardines, and avocados are also powerful omega-3 sources. And for vegans or those on the go, high-quality omega-3 supplements, especially algae-based DHA, offer an easy alternative. When omega-3s become part of your daily routine, something incredible happens. Your thoughts feel clearer. Your mood feels lighter. Your focus lasts longer. These foods aren't just healthy, they're brain enhancers. Imagine your brain as a busy city. Billions of signals moving every second, thoughts forming, decisions happening, memories being built. But just like any busy city, it faces constant pollution. In the brain, this pollution comes in the form of oxidative stress, tiny damages caused by poor diet, lack of sleep, stress, and environmental toxins. These damages slow down thinking, weaken memory, and make the mind feel tired even when the body isn't. That's where antioxidants come in. They work like the city's cleanup crew, sweeping away the stress, protecting brain cells, and helping your mind stay sharp, bright, and focused. The most powerful part? You can get them from delicious foods you probably already love. Let's start with blueberries, often called brain berries for a reason. Packed with anthocyanins, they improve memory, boost learning ability, and keep the brain young. A bowl of blueberries a few times a week can significantly improve cognitive function. A small habit with a huge payoff. Next is the hero most people never expect: dark chocolate. Not the sugary kind, but rich, high cocoa dark chocolate. It increases blood flow to the brain, lifts your mood, and boosts alertness. In the UK and USA, where long work hours and screen-heavy routines are normal, a little dark chocolate can be a daily mental power-up. Then there's green tea, a favorite across both regions. It contains L-theanine, an amino acid that creates calm focus, the perfect balance of relaxed and alert. Just 1 cup can clear mental fog and reduce stress without the jittery feeling of strong coffee. Don't forget turmeric, spinach, red grapes, and even pomegranates. Each one fights inflammation, protects neurons, and supports long-term brain health. Antioxidants aren't just healthy foods. They are brain defenders, guarding your memory, energizing your thinking, and helping you stay mentally alive in a fast-paced world. Most people think the brain controls everything: thoughts, emotions, focus, memory. But here's the surprising truth. There's a second brain inside your body, quietly influencing every mood and every moment of clarity you experience. It's not in your head. It's in your gut. Scientists call it the gut-brain axis, a powerful connection where billions of bacteria living in your digestive system send signals directly to your brain. These tiny microbes play a huge role in how you feel, think, and concentrate. When your gut is healthy, your mind feels balanced, calm, and focused. But when your gut is stressed, inflamed, or filled with unhealthy foods, your brain pays the price, with anxiety, low mood, brain fog, and poor concentration. In the UK and USA, where processed foods, sugary snacks, and stressful lifestyles dominate, gut imbalance is becoming increasingly common. But the solution is simple. Fuel your gut with foods that support good bacteria. That's where probiotics come in: living, friendly microbes that turn your gut into a powerhouse of mental clarity. Yogurt is the easiest place to start. A single cup of high-quality yogurt strengthens the gut lining and boosts serotonin, the feel-good chemical. Then there's kefir, a slightly tangy drink packed with even more probiotics than yogurt. Just 1 serving a day can improve digestion and mood stability. If you prefer something refreshing, kombucha offers probiotics in a fizzy, tea-based drink loved by health-conscious people across the US and UK. And don't forget kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso, fermented foods that nourish the gut and support brain function. But it's not only probiotics. Prebiotics, found in bananas, oats, garlic, and onions, feed the good bacteria and strengthen the gut-brain pathway. When your gut is happy, your mind becomes sharper, calmer, and clearer. When your gut is upset, your brain struggles. Nurturing your gut is one of the simplest ways to boost mental focus. Have you ever noticed how a simple glass of water can sometimes feel like a miracle for your brain? Mental fog lifts, concentration returns, and tasks that seemed impossible suddenly feel manageable. That's because your brain is nearly 75% water, and hydration plays a crucial role in every thought, memory, and decision you make. Without enough fluids, neurons struggle to communicate, focus fades, and your overall mood can take a hit. In the fast-paced lifestyle of the UK and USA, many people underestimate hydration. Coffee, sodas, and energy drinks may give temporary stimulation, but they often dehydrate you further. True mental clarity comes from clean, steady hydration that fuels your brain cells throughout the day. Water is the simplest and most effective brain booster. Drinking small amounts consistently keeps your neurons firing efficiently, supports oxygen flow to the brain, and helps remove toxins. For variety, coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink that replenishes minerals lost through daily activity, perfect for busy professionals or fitness enthusiasts. Its subtle sweetness makes hydration enjoyable without the sugar crash of processed drinks. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or peppermint, add a calming dimension. They hydrate while helping to reduce stress, improve alertness, and soothe mental tension. Even infused water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries can encourage consistent intake and keep hydration interesting. Being hydrated also enhances memory and learning. Studies show that mild dehydration can reduce short-term memory performance and attention. Staying hydrated, even with 1 to 2 liters of water daily, helps your brain maintain optimal cognitive function, sharper thinking, faster decision-making, and a calmer, more focused mindset. The point is drink more water and think more clearly. Hydration is not just about quenching thirst. It's a mental performance hack, a natural clarity booster, and a foundation for brain health. Ever feel your energy spike after breakfast only to crash by mid-morning? The culprit isn't lack of sleep, it's often the type of food you eat. Quick sugars and processed snacks give temporary energy but leave your brain sluggish and unfocused. The solution: slow-burn energy foods, nutrients that release fuel steadily, keeping your mind alert and focused for hours. Your brain, the most energy-demanding organ, relies on a constant glucose supply. When this supply is erratic, concentration drops, irritability rises, and productivity suffers. That's why incorporating foods like oats, quinoa, and sweet potatoes is crucial for mental clarity. Oats are a perfect example. Packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber, they release energy slowly, preventing mid-morning crashes. Start your day with oatmeal topped with berries or nuts, and you'll feel sustained focus, better memory recall, and steady energy for hours. Quinoa, a high-protein grain, is another slow-burning superfood. Unlike white rice or refined grains, quinoa keeps glucose levels stable while supplying essential amino acids that aid neurotransmitter function. Add it to salads or morning bowls for a powerful brain boost. Sweet potatoes, rich in vitamins, fiber, and complex carbs, offer long-lasting energy without sugar spikes. Roasted, mashed, or baked, they keep blood sugar steady and fuel your neurons efficiently. Your brain will stay sharp, alert, and ready for problem-solving or creativity. Other slow-burning options include brown rice, lentils, chickpeas, and whole-grain bread. Pairing them with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil further stabilizes energy and supports brain function. For busy professionals in the UK, USA, or anywhere with a fast-paced lifestyle, these foods are game changers. They don't just provide energy, they power your focus, enhance memory, and boost productivity naturally. Eating brain-boosting foods is powerful, but consistency is key. The real secret to a sharp, focused mind lies in how you structure your daily eating habits. A routine that combines omega-3s, antioxidants, probiotics, slow-burn energy foods, and hydration transforms your brain health over time. The best part? It's simple, realistic, and perfectly suited for busy people in the UK, USA, or anywhere in the English-speaking world. Start your morning with a brain-friendly breakfast. Try oatmeal topped with blueberries and walnuts, or a smoothie with chia seeds, spinach, and a splash of coconut water. This combination provides slow-burning carbs, antioxidants, omega-3s, and hydration, the ultimate morning fuel. Even a cup of green tea can enhance alertness and focus without the jitters of coffee. Mid-morning, reach for a small snack that supports gut health and keeps your energy steady. Yogurt with a sprinkle of flax seeds, or a handful of almonds, delivers probiotics and omega-3s while keeping blood sugar stable. These little moments make a big difference in mental clarity. For lunch, focus on lean proteins and complex carbs. Salmon or mackerel paired with quinoa, spinach, and roasted vegetables offers sustained energy and supports neurotransmitter function. Add a slice of avocado for healthy fats. Your brain will thank you. Stay hydrated throughout the day with water, herbal teas, or coconut water. Hydration is often overlooked but is critical for memory, attention, and mood. Even mild dehydration can reduce cognitive performance. Afternoon snacks can include dark chocolate, berries, or fermented foods like kimchi to boost antioxidants and gut health. Dinner should be balanced yet light, lean protein, colorful vegetables, and a portion of slow-burn carbs like sweet potatoes or brown rice. Avoid heavy, processed foods that can slow your mind before bedtime.